Local Plumbing Company. Need a local plumber for plumbing repairs, remodeling, new construction. We serve the local area and surrounding area and offer a full range of plumbing installation and plumbing repair services. We perform local residential plumbing repairs, local commercial plumbing repairs, plumbers for remodeling and plumbers for new construction needs. For faucets and sinks, toilets, showers and bathtubs, sewers and drains, dishwashers, garbage disposals, water filters, valves, and much more. We also offer leak detection and gas tests. We are available 24 hours a day and guarantee competitive pricing. For a free estimate, call us today. We provide appliance hookup, installation and repair, kitchen, bar, or utility sinks, lavatories, toilets, tub, showers, faucets, handles, water heaters, garbage disposals, water filters, spas, steam units, swimming pool repairs, sewer and drain service and repair, remodeling, new construction plumber, water and sewer lines repaired and replaced, leaks in the slab, and more. Our trained local plumbing repair specialists are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, offer a variety of services to meet your home plumbing or commercial plumbing needs. We offer competitive rates and quality plumbing service to local residential, commercial, and industrial customers in the area.